everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Ming Espiritu Bascos, your teacher in dressmaking and tailoring here on YouTube. And for today's session, I'll be sharing with you on how to draft a school uniform with band on the hip, and this applies with any design of colors. Okay, let's get started. So these are the tools needed here for this demonstration. Okay, let's begin. On my right side, it's always the shoulder part of your project, and this edge of this paper would be the center or the center fold. You have to draw a perpendicular line here and measure 1 inch distance. Okay, you have to make two 1 inch distance here. Okay, and then draw that also. Now you're going to mark this one as 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and then get the length and the bust point. The bust point of this one is 9 inches. So here, and then the length of this top is 20 inches. You're going to base your length from the second line, from the second perpendicular line. Okay, first you're going to get the bust point and then the length. The length of this blouse is 20 inches. Okay, that is the 20 inches. I'm just getting this one. Okay, but you have to consider also the band. Instead of reducing this one to 2 inches for the band, but I still need to add an additional another 2 inches. So never mind, just get the exact 20 inches plus your band, the 2 inches band here. Okay, the purpose of this 2 inches additional here is for the pop. Okay, now draw this one this way. Okay, and then the hemline. Okay. Since this one is having a button or buttonholes, you have to measure 3/4 inch from the edge of the paper. 3/4 here, this one, and here. Then you are going to project these two lines here. Okay, until there. Okay, now the next thing to do is to get the bust measurement. You have to divide the bust measurement into 4. Okay, the bust measurement is 34. I didn't put an allowance during the measurement. Only this time I'm going to add an allowance. So I took the exact measurement of the bust, which is 34. So it will fall here. Okay, the 34 will fall here, the 8.5. Okay, 32, 33, 34. So there, 34. You are going to add 3/4 here. That is for the additional ease or the ease of the blouse. This one you don't need to mark for the front and the back or different marks or having a different marks, but this time you are going to have this mark, this additional mark, as your front and back measurement. And then the hip measurement here is 36. You're going to divide that. So then this one, this falls here, 36, plus the additional for the shearing here, 2.5 inches. Okay, now go to the shoulder. The shoulder is 14 inches. You are going to divide that into 2. You get the 7 there, here, and then from this second perpendicular line you are going to measure 2.5 from the allowance of the button or the buttonholes there. And then you need to project these 2 marks here to get the front shoulder seam here. Okay, now from the second perpendicular line here, you are going to measure 3 inches going down here. Okay, and then you have to project these 2 marks here with the use of your French curve to move this way. Okay, like this. Since this one is front, you're going to mark it until there. Okay, there. Okay, sorry. Okay, now let's go with the back mark for the seam mark. Okay, now I'm going to do this way to get the nice angle or the exact angle of this shoulder. Now I'll use different, I'll use this one, means this is just basic mark. Okay, there. Okay, now next thing is to measure the distance of this mark to transfer it here, this first line to the second line. You're going to measure it, that is 4 5/8, so you're going to transfer it here. We're going to use this black for the back. Now connect these 2 marks to get the back shoulder seam. Okay, this is now your back. This is your back and this is your front. Okay, now let's move to the body. You are going to connect these 2 marks here from this one to here with the use of your hip curve this way. Okay, there. I extended it here purposely because to have an extra mark for the allowance for the armhole. Now at the hemline, you are going to move 1/2 inch higher here, and then that is where you are going to mark the side. Okay, like this. So this is now the mark which you are going to follow. This one, not the red one. Okay, the red one is just the basic mark. Now let's proceed with the armhole. As usual, we are going to do this way to square this one, to take this note and mark a bit here like this, and then get the half of it there. Move this part. This time I'm going to move 1/2 inch only. It's not 5/8. Okay, and then you do this way with your hip curve and do the trial and error. Get the 18 inches measurement for the armhole. So let's do the trial and error. Start from here, from there. Okay, then follow this one, and then start from there again. You follow the back. Okay, let's have it here. This is exact. Now you complete this one with the use of your French curve. You do this way. Okay, for the front. Okay, I'll use the green one, represents the front. You can see it here like this. I'm sorry. Okay, this is now your front. Let's move to the back. Follow this mark here and then do this way. We're going to make the back a bit broader than the front, like this. Okay, and then connect this with the French curve also. There. This is now your back. One more. This one we are going to mark here for the neck hole, the back. This one. Okay, it's complete. Now, if you wanna transfer the back to the other side, actually I have another paper here. I can show you on how to get the back of this one. Before transferring the marks, I need to mark this first. This one is for the back, this one is for the front, okay? And this one is for the front, and this one is for the back. Okay, don't get confused with my marks. Then I'm going to transfer only the mark for the back. Let's do this. Okay, and this part, this line will be eliminated for the back. Okay, and here no need because we are going to cut it here, and this part will be transferred. This is now your back. Okay. You have just seen on how to draft the school uniform with a band on the hip. Please like and share. And if you want me to tackle some topics, please leave your comment below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so that you'll get notified when I upload my next video. Thank you for watching and keep learning.